Today, we would like to introduce how to correctly connect the controller with the strip. Firstly, let we know what is this strip. This strip is the RGB with the IC type. We call it the addressable one. And it's the DC 24 voltage. And it has the 60 watt per meter. And this rail is 10 meter piece. And now we can see the cable. This is the cable we normally use. The cable connect with the controller and the controller with the strip. And here the cable is to the power supplier. We normally do like this. But the thing is, as per the PC cable manufacturer, it told us this kind of cable, the max current is 4 amp. So when we calculate, this strip is 16 watt per meter, 10 meter per piece, which means the total strip, when all the lights, it will be 160 watts. So the whole reel will be 6.7 ampere. It will be larger than the max 4 ampere. So the correct connect for this strip is like this. Forget this cable and connect the controller with the strip directly. So we connect the controller with the strip directly and the strip power with the power supplier directly. Now let me light it for you. So you can see it light. Perfect.